digital transformation, if you ask me, is everyone is speaking about digital transformation now, but that's crossing the so-called the barriers or the front end of design and manufacturing. But it's a chain that everybody will have to look at it from a organization. It's a paradigm shift that they will have to look at it. Design to manufacturing, manufacturing to supply chain to after sales. Can they all be connected together? And that's where the transformation will start.
People speak in the manufacturing segment of AI. At the same breath, they also speak about AI agent. What is AI and what is AI agent?
When we look at it, AI is typically based on a lot of knowledge and information that organization has created for themselves. They try to leverage and do it. Agent is something that organizations are looking, it's a fear. Will it replace a human being which was doing a role? But my observation and my feeling on this is an organization can only build AI if they have sufficient data. Otherwise, AI is good to have on a generic data, but it's not how do you recapture the knowledge that organizations has built over the years. And Indian manufacturing is not a legacy of 1 or 2 years. It's some of the organizations have a legacy of 100 years plus. At that stage, you need somebody who could understand your data, can work on your data, and can produce a much faster way to look at it and connect to you.
How is Dassault Systèmes transforming the industry? Vis-a-vis, when I speak about sales, which is the segment which is actively looking at our solution?
For us, I don't think there is any one sector that is we are eyeing. India typically is being driven by manufacturing. Automotive is a key contributor. We look at it infrastructure. So these are the two industries I think are there for us. But with change in a lot of geopolitical situation, India would see a lot of change and transformation in semiconductors. It's a new vertical that I think we should look at it and watch for it.
What would be your message to the manufacturing segment?
As such, I'm leading the business vertical for Dassault Systèmes, which is indirect sales. I think manufacturing companies will have to look at it to have a smart supply chain for them. It's just not about a smart supply chain in terms of from where they are buying a raw material, but to be very, very focused on sustainability too. Because today, where the part goes in, the OEM will have to look at it and have detailed information about suppliers, what product the material they are using it, from where they are sourcing it, and how they are producing it. Because everyone is wanted to reduce carbon footprint. That's one area. Second area, the manufacturing would have to look at is information of traceability, because that becomes a very, very critical point for now to look at it, because OEMs are more of a assembly shop. They are dependent on their suppliers. They are no more, they may be designing it, but they're not manufacturing it. So the manufacturing will have to look at it traceability. They will have to look at it sustainability. And last piece is that they will have to look at it how they make it in just in time. So their entire supply chain has to be inbound and outbound logistics. They will have to focus on this.